Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome back again in our online class. Today we will do some copy work. So please take out your English notebook, take out your scale, take out the eraser, take out the pencil. Now hold the pencil in your hand and sketch a margin line on the right side of your page and then sketch a margin line in the middle of the page. Now write the CW at the top of the page, mention the date on the left corner. Today we are going to do words opposite. So first we will make a heading of words, W O R D S. Now we will make a heading of opposite on the other side. It is small o, which have to write capital O, double P O S I T E. Words, अल्फाज opposite, उनका उलट. Means like I am saying day, you should say night. मैं अगर दिन बोलूँगी तो आपने रात बोलना है. I will say in, you will say out. मैं अंदर बोलूँगी तो आपने बाहर बोलना है. ये क्या होते हैं? वर्ड्स ऑपोजिट, अल्फाज मुतजाद, अल्फाज और उनका उलट लफ्ज. लाइक फर्स्ट वर्ड इज अप. स्टार्ट राइटिंग विद मी. अप. ऑपोजिट ऑफ अप इज डाउन. अप ऊपर, डाउन नीचे. सेकेंड वर्ड इज कम. COME. कम, आओ. नाउ आई विल राइट गो. जाओ. कम, आना, go, जाना. Now I am going to write happy. The opposite of happy is sad. SAD, sad. खुश, उदास. Now I am talking about in. What should you write here? Yes, out. In, अंदर, out, बाहर. Now I am talking about big. So the opposite of big is small. Big, बड़ा, small, छोटा. Now I am talking about day. What would you write here? In the opposite side? Yes, day, night. Din, night, रात. Now I will say hot. Then what would you write here? Cold. Garam, ठंडा. Now I am going to write wet. गीला, dry, सूखा. Now read it with me once. Up, down, come, go. Happy, sad, in, out, big, small, day, night, hot, cold, wet, dry. Okay, these are the words and their opposites. Words, alfaz, opposite, mutazad means unka ulat. I will talk about up, upar, then you have to write down, niche. If I will say come, you should write go, jao. Happy, if I will say happy, then you will write sad, ghamgeen. If I will write in, you will write out, bahir. I will write big, then you have to write small, bada, chota. If I will write day, you should write night. Then raat. If I will say hot, you should say cold. If I will write wet, you should write dry. Now come on the next page. Now again sketch a margin line on the second page and sketch a straight line in the middle of the page. Write the CW on the top of the page. And now we are going to do dictation words. So first we will make a heading of dictation. 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 WORDS. Words. Dictation mean imla, words alfaz, imla ke alfaz. So first word is sad. First you should focus the sound, then you will start writing. Okay, S is the sound of S, A, D, sad. Then we will write term. Keep writing with me. T, T, E, R, M. Term. Now the next word is fire. F, I, R, E. Fire. The next word is happy. Ha is the sound of H, A, P, P, Y. Happy. Now the next word is hotel. H, O, T, A, L. Hotel. Now the next word is teacher. T, E, A, C, H, E, R. Teacher. Next word is shoes. S, H, O, shoe, E, S. Shoes. SH will give us the sound of sh. Now the next word is friend. F, R, I, E, N, D. Friend. Now come on the next side. Now we have a word left. L, E, F, T. Sorry. F should be start from first line. F, T. Left. Now the last word is doctor. D, D, O, K, T. D-O-C-T-O-R. Doctor. Now let's read it once with me. S-A-D, sad. T-E-R-M, term. F-I-R-E, fire. H-A-P-P-Y, happy. H-O-T-E-L, hotel. T-E-A-C-H-E-R, teacher. S-H-O-E-S, shoes. F-R-I-E-N-D, friend. L-E-F-T, left. D-O-C, dog. T-O-R, ter, doctor. Okay. Now again turn over the next page and sketch a margin line also on this page on the right side, and sketch a straight line in the middle of the page. Now again write CW on the top of the page. Now we are going to start masculine and feminine. Okay. So first we will make a heading of masculine. M A S C U L I N E. Masculine. Masculine mean muzakkar, means we are talking about male, boy. Okay. Now we will make another heading of feminine. F E M I N I N E. Feminine means mourners. Now we are talking about a girl, a lady, or about a woman. Masculine about boy, feminine about girl. Now here we have our first masculine, brother. B R O T H E R. Brother. Masculine. Feminine. Sister. S-I-S-T-E-R. Sister. Next word is father. F-A-T-H-E-R. And the feminine is mother. M-O-T-H-E-R. Next word is uncle. Uncle is masculine. Feminine is aunt. A-U-N-T. Second, next word is boy. Boy is masculine. Feminine is girl. Girl. Next word is king. King. And the feminine is queen. 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 The next word is sir. Sir. Sir masculine. Feminine is madam. 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 Husband. Husband. Husband masculine. Feminine is wife. Wife. Masculine husband, feminine wife. Now masculine prince. Prince. Prince Shehzada. Feminine is princess. Princes. Princess. I hope all of you have finished your work with me. I will come soon with my next video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.